What's up, 6.2 family gang in this thing, fam gang, however you want to call it. Hey, we back. We had a crazy event today, man. It went crazy. In this video, man, I got chopped up, mixed up stuff, man. You gotta excuse me. Um, Today was pretty eventful. Like I say, it was like crazy. So, um, like I say, back and forth. The Hellcat. You guys see the video, man. Good thing the Hellcat was a good success. Was a good success to me. You feel me? So I wasn't really tripping. So hopefully coming this week, I just figure I need some more front end parts. Yeah, that kind of sucked though. But okay, good thing though. I found out about it now. I know. So I need a few more parts. I had to go to the parts that early, like you will see in the video. Get a few more part, one more part that to complete the job for the day. But at the while I need I got that one code. So I need a job for the day. I completed that. So like yeah. And after that we can go ahead and put on the other top bracket pieces that I need for the top to connect from the front bumper to the fenders and things like that. So I'm missing one piece go across the top on that cover the radiator, the top to cover the radiator. That's what I'm missing. So and then both from the fender to the bumper all the way around and cover the top. I ain't got that. I don't know how I missed that. And I'm also missing the radiator, like kind of like a bracket piece. The radiator I kind of sit in. It's all plastic. I'm not sure if I need that right now, but I will see after a while. So yeah, we'll see. Get that going. But y'all enjoy the video. I ain't gonna keep you too much longer, man. I'm tired. It's been a long day. Y'all enjoy the video, man. 6.2 fam gang and all that. You know what I mean? Tired. I've been going through a lot. You know what I mean? These past weeks, my dog hair done. It's terrible right now. It's terrible. Hair is terrible. So what happens when you work all day? Face is terrible. I work, so all I do is work, you know. So yeah, good video, man. Tomorrow should be probably better video. I don't know when I get done with that. Probably like Saturday or something. Or I'm looking like Monday at this point in time. Through tomorrow's Friday, so it'll probably be done by Monday. That's the give or take, you know what I'm saying? Here we go, by Monday. So at least by then, give me like, the weekend to find my lights. I ain't got no lights. They ain't finally give me the parts. The rest of the parts I need anyway. So it kind of could be good, be done by Monday. You know what I'm saying? But honestly, the other inside part wouldn't matter. Look at that painting anyway. That just paint all the way. We kind of blended right quick. So I can go ahead and go get my real paint. You know what I mean? That keep me roll on the street. I want to be rolling the street, you know what I'm saying? Got all this surface stuff on there, you know what I mean? And it's not like looking like nothing in the hell. Can't do that. So at least blend me out, you know what I mean, until I get my actual real paint job. So that's what I'm looking for. Give me back original. This for now. You feel me? So that's what I'm on. Stomach, man. Ate this chocolate cake. I should never did that. Look at that. I should never eat that chocolate cake. That's to her bad, boy. Like, I gotta go do a number in the bathroom a few times, you know what I mean? 6.2 gang, I know what it is, man. I keep it real. Maybe the bathroom, man. You know what I mean? Yeah, you'll see that, but hey. Yeah, I need to come and check the kid out, man, once it's done. 215 going back, L7 kickers, man, and the Challenger. Yeah. I might do 3 kickers. L7s, I'm not too sure, but definitely 2. I got them now. I definitely got them now. You know what I mean? 6.2. Okay. You know what I mean? Definitely got them now. So, yeah. Let's see what that is. You know, but y'all enjoy the video, man. I ain't gonna keep y'all too much longer, man. If not, this would be end up being a video within itself. You see what I'm saying? I don't want it to turn to be a video within itself. You know what I mean? But it can. But y'all enjoy it. See y'all in a minute. Just put 2 film game. Have to stay safe, drive safe out there, man. Talk to y'all soon. Enjoy this video. Like I say, it's chopped up screw videos all throughout the day. Random events out the day. You know what I mean? Random events. So, hey, see what it is. We get there. So, see y'all in a minute, man. 6.2 game. We out of here. Bang. Welcome back, y'all. Throw hurt a little bit, man, but back in this thing. Another parts. Waiting for this car to get done, man. Waiting for it to get done. Hopefully done soon. Hopefully. Gotta see. So I got. So, don't flip. I hate when don't flip. Never do. It's cool and fan. Well, actually, it's gonna go back because this one is the double one. It's the double one. I need the single fan. I got the double one. It's the wrong one. Yeah. So, but this one, gotta shoot down in Jamaica. Bought brand new. Started fit. Part now. Bought brand new. Started fit like that. So I got that part. I also get that this part back. You know what I mean? Y'all can see. But yeah. So we get done, let y'all know. You know what I mean? Back with another one. So yo, welcome back to the show 6.2, man. I'll be getting chopped screw deal today. Moving all right. Trying to do my stuff. Was it for the fan? Got the wrong one, man. So hopefully get the right one. You see, we got going on today. Here, I gotta do shit, the lower rate support. See, my voice is killing me. Lower rate support. You got the upper and lower. So once you do that, alright. So y'all go back to the dealership so we can get there. So like I say, y'all getting chopped and screwed the other day. Chopped and screwed. Different store, different place. Big dog. Y'all look at this car, man. 6.2, man. I see that. Oh my goodness, that's crazy. That is crazy. That's hard, bro. Oh goodness. Brand new 2020. Okay. Wide body. Yo, this thing is crazy. 6'6". Y'all think, man? You gotta tell me what your kid do, man. Your kid step up in this thing, man, what? Try to do. Yeah, let me know in the comments, man. It's nasty. Nasty, nasty. Got one more car for y'all to look at. You know what I mean? 392. It's a crazy Daytona thing. You know what I mean? Out here at Clay Cooley, over here at Carl Road, Irving, man. I'm quite sure y'all are familiar with that by now, trust me. Oh, this is the 6.2. Look at that. So y'all can see that. Yeah. 392. Y'all see that, man? Oh, read it. That's crazy. Back is nice. Back is nice. Daytona. Got the nice matte black on that. Yeah. You know what I mean? Let me know what y'all think. Got my piece, got my part. My part. $300, man. 300. But we out of here, man. Got things to do, place to go. Like I say, chop and screw video today, y'all. Different day. It's another one. Probably some my stuff, I don't know. Alright. Back. Welcome back. I got a total 6.2 game. Back in this thing. 6.2 game. It's a good day. Beautiful day. Sunny. Back here, man. Gotta dust some parts off, man. It's been crazy. Back and forth. Y'all saw what happened to do this shit, man. The Hellcat, man. It's 5392 going crazy. Man, what's the kid do? What's the kid do? I might consider, I don't know, man. Especially the Hellcat. 2020 wide body. I don't know. Tell me, man. I might. No. No. Let me know. But yeah, here we go. Back up, man, like I say, they did a thing for the kid, man. It's all I really needed was this piece of the frame hooked up, you feel me? They did a good job right there. That thing, yeah, solid. So they put this whole bar on for me. Whole bar, did a little rebar on it. Came on there, did it like that for the kid, man. So Hellcat is definitely in good position right now. You feel me? So like I say, it's the motor. I was thinking it's the bottom down through. I got all this new. This would bring this all out as one. This come all as one. So I got the upper and lower support, which I definitely knew I needed. So that's why I got the upper and lower. So yeah, got that in, put that in for me. It's all good. Good position, like I say. I ain't gonna hold it too long today. Like I say, beautiful day. Got really the things to do. More places to go, man. This has been a crazy day, but it's definitely Hellcat action. Hellcat season going down. March going down. March Madness going down. Everything going down. Yeah, we going down, go down. But yeah, check it. Also, I was looking at this bottom piece. It's like a little rubber piece here. Rubber piece there. I bought brand new. Glad I did. I had a hunch I was gonna need it, so glad I bought that new. Glad I bought that new. So that's what it is. I really can't see in the sun. The sun is blinding. The sun is real blinding, man. It's real blinding right now. Even with the glasses on, it's something blind. Let me go back this way. Yeah, that's better. Whew. Whew. The chain was getting hot too. Chain getting hot. Yikes. Yeah. Well, yeah, that's where we at. Hellcat going down. That's going on. My Cadillac back there. I see that. Yeah, that's what it is, man. And the next is the Porsche Cayenne. After this, the Cayenne might do one of my Audis or something. The guy's got a few projects ahead. I don't know which one will lead after this one, but when this is done, man, we're gonna definitely put this in the show. Like I say, get to the right people, man. I need to get it to like probably 900 horses, man. I don't want no 1,000. I really don't. I want 1,000. Give me 900. I'm good with the 9. Give me 900 horses, man. That's it. I want nothing else. 700 really cool for the kid, man. I ain't trying to go crazy. I'm really going for the show, for the look. I mean, look for the look, not really. I am gonna perform. I'm bust shot head out there. You know what? I might go with 1,000, man. Now I think about it. But y'all people out there tripping, man. I don't tear it up, man. You know what? Yeah, I'm just doing for 1,000, man. If my motor blow, man, I get a new one. That's what's gonna happen. Skip that. Change. It's going down. 2020, we're going up. So that's where we at. All right. I ain't gonna hold too much longer, man. Get the heck up out of here. It's been a long video as it is. Until next time, I'll holler at y'all, man. And y'all stay safe. 6.2 game, man. We out here, man. We out here.